Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy stocks on Robinhood, a popular and user-friendly trading platform. To get started, you need to download and install the Robinhood app on your mobile device or access it through their website. Once you have the app, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After verifying your email address, you will be asked to provide some additional information to verify your identity, including your social security number and address. This is a standard procedure to comply with financial regulations. Once your account is verified, you can fund it by linking your bank account or using other payment methods. To buy stocks, navigate to the search tab and type the name or ticker symbol of the company you want to invest in. For example, if you want to buy Apple stocks, you can type AAPL. Select the company from the search results and click on the trade button. You can then choose to buy the stock at the current market price or set a limit order to buy it at a specific price. When buying stocks, it is essential to understand the different types of orders. A market order executes the trade immediately at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy the stock. You can also set a stop-loss order to limit your potential losses if the stock price drops. Before making a trade, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the cost of the stocks you want to buy, plus any applicable fees. Robinhood does not charge commission fees for buying or selling stocks, but you may be subject to other fees such as regulatory fees. It is also important to do your research and set a budget before investing in stocks. Consider your financial goals and risk tolerance, and diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of stocks or other assets. You can also use the educational resources and market data provided by Robinhood to make informed investment decisions. Once you have placed your trade, you can monitor your portfolio and track the performance of your stocks in real time. You can also set up notifications to alert you to any changes in the market or your portfolio. With Robinhood, you can buy and sell stocks easily and conveniently, and start building your investment portfolio today.